Hello guys, I'm back. So today we are in Arnhem Central. It's a border city of Germany and Netherlands. So we are going to explore it. So this is the train station. Pretty advanced compared to Germany. uh, yeah, even though it's a very small, like not a big city like Amsterdam or Rotterdam, but still, I will walk to the city center. So the vibe of the city is quite nice. Looks different architecture than in Germany or Hungary. The building seems to be different, more ancient but beautiful, nicely maintained. This is a nice, beautiful building. I think from here the city center starts. Maybe when I cross the road, it looks gorgeous. Maybe from first there should go.
Dat is echt heel veel.
So this is the city center.
Ik denk dat dat. Ja, dat is zo.
So this building is like where the like it's a museum, but here the foundations of the city, like this is the main from where the city started. Looks very beautiful, huge. I thought it was a church, but it is not.
Ja, maar ik zie
Looks like from Assassin's Creed. We can also go inside. Maybe if it's free, I will only go then. Because mostly the places like these are scenic. Let's go and ask. Looks like this from the inside. Beautiful. there is the church. So we could go up there, like you can see there's a lift, but it was paid. So I went inside, but it's fine. This is the museum. Seems like the statue of Lucifer, but nicely built. It's a small memorial or a museum. You can also say it's for the at the time of the World War. This there was a very big war here, so the Allies wanted to take that bridge because then they can outflank the Germans and go to the Berlin, like it happened in 1944 September. So nearly 40,000 Polish and uh, Americans and British landed at this place. So this is the bridge. There is a movie also. This is the bridge because who captured the first uh, side who captured the bridge kind of have the upper hand. So there's a movie also, I think, for this. But now we cannot imagine like that. And 80 years ago there was a war. Yeah. Oops. John Frost Bridge. Anything in English? The Grecian route is a cultural route. So you can see they have placed like little guns here. I don't know who John Frost was. Only thing I know that he was a soldier here, maybe a captain or something. This is the street. This is the monument, and one monument is also there, but I think cannot be seen from the camera. I can see from here. So this is also written here. You guys can read in English. It was meant to be with the yeah. So this is the view from the bridge. So this is John Frost.